First, you open up Canva and start a brand new Instagram story template. Then you go to Elements, find a gradient, set it as your background. Then go back to Elements, search phone frame, put it to where you want it to be, go to Uploads, click Videos, find the video that you want to put on there and put it in. This is where the fun happens. You want to drag that all the way down, and then you want to hit the letter T to find the text and put the text that you want to do. What you want to do is group them, so make sure that you move the text that you want in the middle all the way up, move your video all the way down, position it in the middle, and then you're done. Hit the page, hit Command D, duplicate the page, and then what you want to do is you want to drag the video all the way up to be in the middle. Once you have that in the middle, go back to your timeline, and in between your images, what you're going to see is the icon for transition. Click on that, the transition box pop up, go ahead and do match and more. That's going to give you that really awesome transition that I just showed you. And then what you can do is adjust the speed. And just like that, you have a really fun transition and you can play around with other transitions. If that was helpful, let me know and go try it out.